Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is June 25th of 2024 here in New York City. I'm gonna try to do a random RNG prompt I haven't done yet. Hopefully not too difficult. But yeah, we have 320 today. Generalized abbreviation. Let's take a look and let's have a go. Okay. Okay. I feel like we did a recent similar problem of it, but okay. Given a string of words, return a list of all possible generalized. Okay, that means that, yeah, n is equal to 15. I was just going to say that, yeah. I mean, I was like, as soon as I saw a list of all possible, I knew that the n was going to be small, just because this has a complex of 2 to the n, right? Or the 2 to the n number of them. And the way that you can think about it is that, let's say a word has I don't know, 8 characters, right? And the idea here is to kind of see how many possibility there is, and maybe it's 2 to the n minus 1 or something, but same idea, which is that you can think about each character. It could be this is either in an abbreviation or not an abbreviation, right? Ignoring all the numbers, I mean, you could think about the numbers as group them into an abbreviation together, which means that's why there are no like because this would actually be normalized into 4DE or something like this, right? But yeah, so each character would be either abbreviation or not abbreviation or whatever. I don't know what the notation is, and as a result, then you can kind of see that because each character has these 2 possibilities, it's just going to be 2 to the n. And that's basically the idea here. And so we can figure out the answer just by recursion. So let's do it. So we have construct, we have the index of the word, and then we have I guess current, I don't know, which is a current array. And then basically, yeah, if index is equal to n, then we do stuff. Let's just return for now. And here we can just say we have construct index plus 1, and yeah, let's just say current is an array. We want to append that index, right? And then here we do recursion, we pop it. So this is what you might call it, backtracking, I guess. Kind of, I just call it enumeration. And then here we can maybe append star, right? And then we pop. Then we construct 0 with empty array, and then we return answer. So then now all the work, as you can see, is going to be at the index is equal to n part. And the way that we do is just we can probably use group by, but I want to write it out for this one. We definitely can use group by, and I think on a contest I probably would use a group by, but I'm going to just write it out just so that we can kind of think about it. And then here it is just maybe abbrev ab is equal to 0. If I could type 0, and then for I in range of n, then it just goes yeah. So the current word is going to be right, and then now if word sub I, if current sub I is equal to a star, then it's an abbreviation. Then we want to increment by 1. Forgot the ifs word. Else, then we just set abbreviation equal to 0. Current word is we appended by the character, and then if abbreviation is greater than 0, or we have to do this before, I think. Oops. Then we set it to 0, but we also current word dot append the string of this word, so the length, right? And then we have to do another one, which is at the very end, if abbreviation is good, right? So then now current word will contain an array with the current word. So now we have to join it back together, and then we just add it to the answer, and that's pretty much it. Assuming that I type it correctly and all these things. Yeah. Yep, looks okay. Let's give it some. I mean, I don't. Other than timing out, I don't really expect it to be that bad. So didn't really think like the way that we wrote it is so exhaustive, meaning that it tries every possibility, right? So it works other than typos. If it works for like a few characters, it'll work for all of them. The only thing that it may happen is also timeout, but it seems like it's okay, obviously, because I mean, maybe we could have written in a way such that it's slightly faster, but I think at the end of the day, it's the same thing. I could have also done it with bitmask as well, but is that true? I thought that the 2-3 is invalid. That's what I was saying. I don't know. Maybe they fixed it. In any case, what's the complexity here, right? Well, this is going to recurse 2 to the n times. This takes all of n times to construct a word, so this is actually 2 to the n times n. You could probably optimize this in a way such that current take care. Like you can have, like the way that we did abbreviation and these things, you could probably do it in a way that is optimized so that it's only 2 to the n. Kind of, but it's going to be n times 2 to the n anyway. And the reason is because even if you kind of construct a partial word, you have to make a copy of it to put it in answer, right? You can't just put that into answer. So, and in making a copy, that's still going to be n times 2 to the n. So, yeah, you do save some time on the constructing though, because this is actually like an additional O of n, I suppose. But in any case, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.